Ross's group. Moving quickly.
Chased?
We need to find a vantage point.
Get the sniper!
Disengage! Focus on the others!
Just you and me now, Sole. I see you.
Dog tag warrior. Do you like me in your ear? You keep running from us. Come on. I know you can hear me. It is no fun talking to myself. My brother wants to make a trophy of you. But he will not. I will. Speak up, or my next bullet finds a home in one of the Aranehe.
Who is your brother?
Wukula, of course. You gave him that beautiful scar. Did you like my surprise? So many wonders to play with here. Lights, machines, minds. We both fight with human weapons, but you point them at us. Is it thanks to our allies? One of them mightiest, Forage. He gave me this rifle. He knew I would use it well, that it would make me stronger. Just like you are. Free of Awa's tyranny.
The Great Mother is with me.
Lying to yourself. How sad. You would have made a fine monk one. Letting your pain make you strong. Not like the Aranehe who just curl up and whisper. I can see your Sarentu friend. Trying to save them. Their weakness will drag him down. I know you have no clan.
Because of your allies.
No. because your people refused to open their eyes. They could have been like we are.
My people would never have fallen so low.
I am starting to like you. What a waste. There you are. Now come and get me.
Taylan, do you remember the machines Bruno had around his base in the spires?
Yeah. The BWEs. Bucket wheel excavators. Did you make it to the ravines?
Yes, there is one here, and Zari sits on top of it.
Mercer had it scheduled for demolition months ago. The charges should still be set all around it.
Zari thinks she is safe from me up there.
Show yourself. I like the view. Careful. I almost lost my balance. Stop it, so like fight me, not the machine. Or are you too afraid? Are you really trying to get up here? I hope you can fly without any ikran. Oh, I heard what you did to poor Rock. Cut her wings and sent her to the ground. You will not do the same to me. I can wait for days. How about you?
See, Mukula will have you. After all.
Ngari huwe wasaleo.
Masole! You want their weapons now?
I will take what I need.
Metal in Na'vi hands. A corruption forced on some, and welcomed by others. There is no place on Pandora for her kind.
It is too late for her, yes. But the Na'vi have strayed before. There are ways.
Ways for those who respect Dewa, and shun the Sky People!
And what about respect for our elders?
Naitoa, maleo koate.
Oh, I see you, Nord. A young warrior's fire burns high. Restraint comes with age. Let us see the rest of the group to safety.
We had hoped to find Riinella with you.
They were separated in the ravines. I will find her.
That was not the Nord I had hoped to meet.
And we are not the people he hoped us to be.
Your sister killed one of my men.
Salt Lake killed her.
My condolences. He's now taken 2 of your best.
He knew his fate was to die by my...
By your blades. But Quaritch only has so much patience.
Quaritch. I answer to Varang.
Right now, we answer to them both. And I'm telling you to control your people. We do not fire on our own allies!
My sister was always strange. She lacked my discipline.
Look, no one fights like the Mengquan. You will be the one to finish Salt Lake. I'll make sure of it. But we need to do this the RDA way. Yes?
Yes. Your people fight with one arm tied behind their backs. But we will have this so-called dog tag warrior.